For TACA. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to El Salvador International Airport. Please remain seated and do not open your headphones until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. For Captain Luis Herrera, our cabin person Karen Figueroa, and the rest of the crew, it has been a pleasure having you on board this morning, and we hope to serve you again in the near future. Thank you for flying with us on TACA Flight Path 81. We would like to remind you not to forget your personal belongings. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as their contents may have shifted during flight. For information local time, 12:15. Another on time arrival by TACA. Para su información, nuestra hora del edificio terminal tomará unos minutos más, pero les pedimos que por su propia seguridad permanezcan con sus cinturones abrochados y mantengan el respaldo de su asiento y la mesa individual en posición vertical. Esto traduce abrochar el cinturón ha sido apagado. Gracias. For information, our Aeropuerto building will take a few more minutes. Please remain with your seatbelt fastened and keep the service table and seat back in a full upright position until the aircraft has come to a completed stop and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Thank you. A todos los pasajeros en tránsito estamos informados que deberán desembarcar en esta estación con todo su equipaje de mano, identificar su destino final con personal de TACA. Gracias. To all interested passengers with different connections, please remain at this station with our personal belongings and identify final destination with the TACA personnel. Thank you.